Hi, my name is Chloe from the Economics Tutoring Department at ASU, and today we're going to be covering utility theory. Before we continue, always check with your professor notation because it varies from class to class. So now we're going to answer the question, what will this person buy with an income of $9? So to answer this question, we really just need to look at the MU divided by the P columns. So, to remind, MU divided by P represents the extra satisfaction a person gets per what the cost is to gain that. So now that we have our MU over P for both goods A and B, we can compare them to examine what choices a person will make. So first, what is the very first unit that a person is going to buy? We can examine this by looking at quantity 1. At quantity 1, they can either get an MU divided by P of 12 or 5. 12 is the higher number, so they're going to buy B first at the price of $1. So they have $8 left to spend. So what will they buy second? Now that they have already bought the first bundle of product B, they have left the second bundle of B and still the first bundle of A. So now we're comparing 5 and 6. 6 is higher than 5, so again the person is going to buy bundle B for the price of $1. So let's move on to the third. For the third, we're comparing 2 and 5. 5 is larger than 2, so they're going to buy a unit of A for the price of $2. So now they only have $4 left of their income to spend. Actually, no, $5. So let's move on to the fourth. We can either, at the quantity of 2, A will give us 3 satisfaction utilities, or B at a quantity of 3 will give us 2. So again, the 3 is higher. So the person's going to choose bundle A at a price of $2. So let's move on to the fifth. Here is an interesting dilemma because they get the same utility at the quantity of 3. Each represents 2 and 2. And because our income is 9 and we can afford to buy both bundles, the 5th and the 6th, A and B, will be completely indifferent. The consumer is not going to have a preference between these two bundles. So we can see with $9, they buy 3 Bs and 3 As. Now let's move on to our final question. Is this person in consumer equilibrium? In consumer equilibrium, all income is spent such that the marginal utility of price of A is equal to the marginal utility over price of B. So because we ended with 2 utility over price of A and 2 utility over price of B, and the entire $9 income was spent, this person is in consumer equilibrium. I hope you found that video helpful. If you have any further questions, please visit your professor or visit us at the tutoring center.